Okay. Finally got everything plugged in. I finally did it. Look at that. Woo-wee. That's some gall-darn cable management if I've ever seen it. But I don't really want to go too overboard with the whole cable management thing because, well, I don't even know if it works yet. So let's get this to fucking start. Let's see if I could turn this on. Okay. It's done. Got everything plugged in. It should work. Flip that on button. I'm gonna press the switch. Ready? Come on, baby. Huh? Wait, why is it turning on? Oh shit, did I plug something in?
And so, he continued to press the button in despair, until he decided to call one of his friends who had previously built his own PC, and thought that he could get some input. And he told him exactly what to do, and he did it, and this happened.
It up right now. Let's fucking go! It worked! Yes! I just saw Arsenal Gaming flash for a split second. Oh shit, okay, reboot and select proper boot device. Insert media selected boot device and press a key. So at this point, I had spent all day building this thing and finally got it to start working. And I was so excited that I did not film me installing Windows. Don't worry, I'm here from the future to tell you guys how to do it. So as far as I know, there are two ways to get Windows 10. You can go to the Microsoft website, type in Windows 10 on like the search bar or whatever, and it'll go, oh, you want to buy Windows 10? Sure thing. Just pay us some money and we'll ship you a USB with Windows 10 on it, right? And you'll have that Windows 10 USB, stick it in your computer once it's built. Boom, everything pretty much does itself, right?
But what if I told you there was another way? And this other way was completely free.
What?
Now that might sound a little illegal, but... No, I'm just kidding. It is legal. It's the way I did it. And why would I teach you guys how to do something bad? We're all good boys and girls here, right? The second method is what I did for my PC, and it only has one drawback. But I'll get to that later. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 1, a computer, 2, Wi-Fi connection, 3, a USB stick with at least like 16 gigs on it, and 4, well, your built PC. Now Microsoft did a pretty good job about hiding this because I was on their site for like 20 minutes and I couldn't figure out which combination of tabs I should push in order to get to this screen. What I found to be most effective was just searching on Google Windows 10 installer. And basically, it's going to be maybe the first link you get. It's going to lead you to the official Microsoft website telling you to download an installation tool. Once you get this installation tool downloaded, it'll ask you if you want an ISO or if you want to put it on a USB. You're going to want to pick the USB so that when your brand newly built PC asks for a USB, you can just stick it in and follow the instructions. Once you get Windows installed and start tweaking everything, that's when the one downside rears its ugly head. You'll have an Activate Windows button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen all the time. That's right, you can't get it off until you activate Windows. So whenever you share your screen in Discord, everyone's gonna point and laugh at you because you haven't bought Windows yet. Being publicly shamed by these Discord admins, I can't take that kind of pressure. Whining and laughing at me. I can't take it. I have to leave. I have to go now. I have to go to Brazil. I have to change my name, change my face. I can't ever be seen again. I'm too broke to buy Windows. I can't afford it. It's like $300. My career is over. Well, you know what they say. If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen.
Oh shit! Hey!
And buy Windows. But personally, I can take the heat, and the Activate Windows button really never gets in my way. I can always just ignore it. So if you want to go ahead and buy Windows to get rid of the Activate Windows button, you can just go to the settings and it'll pretty much do itself. You just got to pay the big bucks for it. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are the 2 ways I know how to install Windows on a brand spanking new PC. Alright, now that I'm done explaining how I installed Windows, we can get back to the video.
Alright, we're loading in, ladies and gentlemen. I found out what my problem was, why the system wouldn't boot.
I plugged in that wire right there, the front panel wire, upside down into the USB 2 fucking slot. That's why it wouldn't turn on. But I called my friend and he got me set up, and he actually told me to check my motherboard connections to see if I connected anything incorrectly. And he was right, I did. I totally messed that up. So big shout out to him. But yeah, we did it. We built it. It's my PC. Yeah, wow, it's crazy. Now all I gotta do is buy Windows and I'm like set.
The upside down USB connector thing wasn't the only debacle I had during this whole process. I also got this Ethernet thing. See, in this video here, I'm very confused as to why the Ethernet's not working on my PC. But then I unplugged the cord, looked at it, and look at that, it's got 4 pins. And when I look into my PC, this one's got like 8. It's like, oh, I'm missing a whole 4 pins. So then I just like pretty much just got a new cord with 8 and we're good. I guess you could just say the moral of this story is to always check your cords, see if there's like something, because I did it wrong twice. I did it with the USB and I did it with the Ethernet. So yeah, keep your eyes out when you're building your PC for those cords that can fit but won't do anything.
Fucking good. It's done. Ladies and gentlemen, it's done. I've built my own PC. Got everything installed. I did it. Yes. Looks like my machine is done. So you know what? We're finally gonna peel off the protective layer. I want to do this on camera, so let's get this done. Here, let's turn off the monitor so there's no reflection. Oh, wait, what? Caution sticker's still on, what the hell? Oh, get it off there. Yeah, baby. Oh, the peel. Oh, I think I'm peeling it wrong. Oh no, that doesn't sound good. Oh, it's off. But I think I may have peeled it incorrectly. Damn it, I'm gonna have to take the side panel off again. Damn it!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's my PC building video. I hope if you watched all this, you enjoyed. I kind of enjoyed making it. I don't know, it took me like forever because, you know, video editing and crap. Real life gets in the way, school, and, you know, all that basic excuse stuff. But yeah, be on the lookout for some of my videos. One of my New Year's resolutions is to start posting more frequently, which means more than like maybe once a year. So yeah, be on the lookout for new videos coming out, because I'm hoping to make a couple reviews on games I find very interesting. So yeah, see you guys there.